in junior year and senior year, I've done CAPS. I've done the engineering program through them, and it's been a really cool experience. I've been able to have 3 internships. One being with Special School District, where I worked with a guy who makes a lot of the accommodations for kids throughout all the school districts in the St. Louis area. And then in my first one was at a company called Wilson Manufacturing. I was shadowing on a machine floor. And then my most recent one was actually with Essex Industries, which is an aerospace company that produces liquid oxygen tanks and stuff for aircraft. Last year we did a competition through the Gateway Arch, and we actually my group came second in it, and we won best executive summary, which is actually the part that I was leading that part of it. So I've been able to work on a lot of projects. We do client projects, so where we actually work with a business and they give us certain parameters and stuff that they want out of a product, and we have to be able to come up with a design to solve whatever problem they're having. So I'm actually planning on going to Missouri S&T, and I'm going to be majoring in electrical engineering. I'm actually planning on, I want to pursue something within the power field, so with power grid or something to that extent, so that I'm going to declare my specialty as power. Whenever you get involved with something, and whatever you do, really pursue it and really try to make it something where you'll stick out amongst other people.